Today, my roommate Raven and I are going to be talking about how our brains construct emotion.
Our brains get information from two sources.
Our senses, which tell us what is going on in the world around us, and our emotions, which tell us what these events mean to us. Each part of our brain works together to process the information from both sources, allowing us to attend to our own survival. So how does our brain process emotion?
Our brains reflexively respond to our environments emotionally. This initial response occurs in the part of our brain called the limbic system. The limbic system is especially helpful in contributing to behaviors that are needed for survival, such as
Feeding, fight or flight, and reproduction.
The structures of our limbic system are buried underneath the cerebral cortex, which is the outer layer of the brain.
the thalamus, hypothalamus, basal ganglia, hippocampus, and amygdala are the major structures of the limbic system.
The hippocampus plays a large role in organizing new memories and inputs. It allows you to feel the spatial aspects of your environment and incorporate them into your emotions. The thalamus processes sensory information throughout the body before it sends to the cerebral cortex for interpretation. It relays sensory and motor signals that contribute to consciousness, learning, and memory. The amygdala helps regulate emotion, especially reflexive emotions such as fear and anxiety. Furthermore, it prepares our bodies for fight or flight in the presence of a threat. It does this by releasing a variety of chemicals throughout the brain. This alerts and arouses the body. The hypothalamus produces hormones that allow your body to stay stable in homeostasis. It regulates a variety of bodily processes such as heart rate and body temperature.
These parts make up what many call the emotional brain.
However, many parts of the brain, such as the basal ganglia, which is responsible for executive functions and behaviors, are not always included in the defined limbic system, even though they play a large role in emotion.
This is because scientists have a hard time agreeing on which parts are in the limbic system of the brain and which are not.
Regardless, while the limbic system is a leading force in emotions, it is certainly the whole brain that works together in order to produce them. So now we know the parts of the brain that are responsible for emotion. Wait, how are they responsible for emotion?